Remove the indoor and outdoor unit's flare nuts and protect the piping ends with tape. Let's look at work on the refrigerant piping. It is necessary to conduct the flaring while adhering to the 3 principles of refrigerant piping: dry, clean, and tight. When the piping is cut, the end surface will develop burrs. Remove these using a reamer and file. Be sure to face the piping end downwards during this process to prevent any filings from getting inside. These are photos before and after burr removal. Now conduct flaring to connect the piping. First, slide the flare nuts that you have removed from the indoor and outdoor units onto the piping. Note that the piping diameter will be larger after flaring, so the flare nuts cannot be slid onto the piping after flaring. Create the flare using a flaring tool. Set the piping inside the flare. Adjust the piping allowance and secure it firmly. The standard allowance ranges between 0 and 0.5 millimeters, but this will differ according to the flaring tool. After setting the piping in the flaring tool, create the flare by rotating the handle. Confirm the quality of the completed flare. Check the flare size using a flare size gauge. If the size of the completed flare is larger or smaller than the flare size gauge, redo the flare according to the instructions of the flaring tool manufacturer. If the size is appropriate, check for any flare deformations, dirt and dust, or scratches on the flare.
Okay.